Hey guys, this is Nikki of Bubble Babes and of Bubble Babes University. Welcome to my channel. Today's video, we are going to be making wax melts. I am experimenting with a few new designs. One is inspired by Slice of Candle, and she makes such beautiful candles. So I wanted to see if I can create something like that. So it's just experimental, but now I'm going to expand on it and do more and scent them because these are not scented. As always, like the video, turn on your notifications bell. If you are not subscribed, subscribe. If you have any questions, please leave them down below. And if you would like to see previous videos on how to make embeds and how to make wax frosting to see how I did it in this video right here. But if you want a more in-depth lesson on how to frost wax techniques and everything like that, I do have a class, and that link will also be down below. Yet join the Honor Society, please do so. That is a monthly membership. It's all access to everything that we do, free classes, book club, and so much more. Without further ado, let's get into this video and make some wax melts. I still have a few housekeeping things. Well, they're not really housekeeping, but they're just like updates. Make sure you join me every day, Monday through Friday at 9 a.m. on Instagram on Bubble Babes University. It is Morning Coffee with Nikki, and we are discussing general topics. And we're also, if you have any questions or whatever, join me there. Tuesday night, I'm on Let's Talk Live, and that is at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.